The East Asia Summit (EAS) is the Indo-Pacific's premier forum for strategic dialogue. It was established on 14th December 2005. The EAS has 18 members. First, the 10 ASEAN countries: Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, the Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam, along with Australia, China, India, Japan, New Zealand, the Republic of Korea, Russia, and the United States. The EAS is an annual leaders summit which is usually held alongside ASEAN leaders meeting. The 17th EAS was held in November 2022 in Phnom Penh under the presidency of Cambodia.